So it is now 11:40 in an hour. We have climbed up 0.8 miles. Made it to the cavern's entrance. I would say we have like 0.2 miles left to the summit.
We had company, we ran into 3 people.
Yes, 3 beautiful young people.
Only 1.
Only, wow, you know.
Well, you're still...
Well, so, let's see. Let's show up here. Make sure I don't fall on my face. And that's the way more into the caves. Okay. Yep.
Doesn't fall off the edge.
This is the view from here. Let's see. Just walk up there. Da-na-na. Oops. Okay. Oh, look. Just keeps going.
Oh.
Which way should we go? Left? All right. Left? All right.
I say right.
And then left?
We can come back and check out the little...
Oh, just go back down to the other side. I think we're supposed to go down through that caves. I see a trail marker. Right?
Look at the view from up here.
What view? Oh yeah.
I wonder if that's the summit. Climb up on those rocks.
You're right.
I'll come back and get a picture down here.
So,
You may want to stop filming because of the climb.
there. No, you can't really see anything. No, I think the summit is way over there. On the other side. See? I don't want to go over there. I'm scared. Do you see anything? Huh? No. No. Yeah.